Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Oral. Today I bring you a peaceful yet powerful story about a monk, a simple man who lived in silence, but carried something heavy inside him. This story will not only improve your English listening skills, but it will also teach you an important life lesson about anger, patience, and letting go. So take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Monk. In a quiet village, surrounded by green hills and flowing rivers, there lived a monk named Tenzin. Tenzin was known for his discipline and silence. He spoke very little, ate very little, and spent most of his time meditating under a large banyan tree. People respected him. They believed he had great wisdom. There was one thing no one knew. Deep inside his heart, Tenzin carried anger. Many years ago, someone had insulted him publicly. That moment stayed in his mind like a sharp thorn. Even though he became a monk, even though he practiced peace, he never truly let go of that anger. The journey. One day, Tenzin decided to travel to a distant monastery to meet a wise master. He believed that the master would help him find true peace. So early in the morning, he packed a small bag and began his journey. The road was long and difficult. He walked through forests, crossed rivers, and climbed steep hills. After many hours, he reached a narrow path beside a flowing river. There, he saw a young woman standing helplessly. She looked worried. "Please help me," she said softly. "I need to cross this river, but I am afraid." Tenzin hated. As a monk, he was not supposed to touch a woman, but seeing her fear, he made a decision. Without saying a word, he lifted her gently and carried her across the river. Once they reached the other side, he put her down and continued walking, without looking back. The inner struggler. As Tenzin continued his journey, something strange began to happen. His mind was no longer calm. Instead, it was full of thoughts. Did I do the right thing? Was that against my discipline? What would others think of me? The more he walked, the heavier he felt. Not physically, but mentally. Hours passed, but the moment of carrying that woman stayed in his mind again and again. He was not carrying the woman anymore. He was carrying the thought of it, the master's question. Finally, Tenzin reached the monastery and met the wise master. The master welcomed him with a gentle smile. "What brings you here, my son?" he asked. Tenzin bowed respectfully and said, "Master, I have dedicated my life to peace, but my mind is not at rest. I feel disturbed, and I don't know why." The master looked at him calmly and said, "Tell me everything that happened during your journey." Tenzin explained the entire story, from the moment he left the village to the moment he carried the woman across the river. When he finished, the master remained silent for a few seconds. Then he asked a simple question, "Are you still carrying the woman?" Tenzin looked confused. "No, master. I left her by the river many hours ago." The master smiled and replied, "Then why are you still carrying her in your mind?" Realization. At that moment, something changed inside Tenzin. He realized the truth. He had not broken any rule by helping the woman, but he had been holding on to the thought, judging himself and creating unnecessary suffering. The real burden was not the woman, it was his attachment to the past. Slowly, Tenzin closed his eyes. For the first time in many years, he let go. Moral. Dear listeners, we often carry things that no longer exist. A harsh word, a past mistake, an old insult. Just like Tenzin, we leave the moment behind, but we keep carrying it in our minds, and that becomes our burden. So ask yourself today, what am I still carrying? And more importantly, am I ready to let it go? If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Oral. Keep learning, keep growing, and progress